Hey, watch the camera. Carpet removal service. All right, we're getting somewhere. Got the windshield, back window, radiator, transcooler. Getting ready to start cutting some stuff. Woo! You're doing a great job, Chase.
Thanks.
Does it feel good? Be working on the old girl again?
Yeah.
Do you miss her?
Yes, sir.
You miss her a little bit?
Yeah, I miss her.
Oh man.
Let's get ripped. Alright. Carpet's gone.
Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back. This is actually the first video working on the new drag truck. We're here with our man Chase. Manager Mike has given us a list. As you can see, we've gotten a little crazy.
Hey, who's Manager Mike? You mean Silent Mike?
Oh, Silent Mike, yeah. AKA Manager Mike, AKA whatever else we call him. He had to run home, so he's not here. But anyway, got the back of the cab cut out because, like I said, a lot of the reason we're going to be cutting out a lot of this stuff is going from an 850 cage to a 25.6 gauge, 25.6 cage is going to have its challenges as far as welding around all of the tubes that we're going to have to put in here. Plus, this junk weighs a lot. Plus, you know, it's mo cool. Moku. Psh, Ed Bassmaster. Psh. So anyway, we're going to continue on tonight, but cut out quite a few bars up top here, cut the back of the cab out, and we're just going to kind of keep moving on. What else did we do?
Would you like me to read this list?
No, we don't need to read a list. What did I do? What did I do the other night that we were here? What?
No.
No. Oh. Alrighty then. I don't think we did anything inside the engine. We're gonna get to that, but just a lot of removal stuff, and that's about it. Huh? Oh, that's right. We took the Lexan that's in it out. So we got some cool plans. We got some cool plans. Here you go. You
cut bars too.
Oh, cut bars. Yeah, I said that. What else? What else do we have on the list?
Oh, you want me to read the list?
You can read a couple things, maybe just a couple things. This is what we're going to be doing tonight. So, Chase, let's just. How are you feeling right now? We're going in right now for your old girl.
Kind of want to cry a little bit. Kind of happy. Kind of angry.
Kind of happy. Kind of sad.
Just a lot of stuff.
Just a lot of emotions.
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
Are you gonna be able to hang? You gonna hang with us here?
You know, I don't know if I can say this, but I'm gonna beat Greg's ass before this is over with.
Whoa, buddy. All right, so we're not really. I think we kind of made the decision a little bit here. We're not gonna try and reinvent the wheel. Well, we kind of are, but we're not gonna put fiberglass on it. So we're gonna try and make this thing as light as possible with some of the steel parts on it. But you know, we're gonna remove some things. But that's it.
Yep.
We're just gonna get to work. All right, so that's it. Hang tight. We're gonna set you guys up, and we're gonna continue on working on this thing. Get out of here! Get out of here! Give me!
You want to fight it? You want to fight the camera?
Give me it! Give me the gun!
Would you look at this impact swing?
Alrighty, we have made some good headway for this evening. As you guys can see, hood is off, fender's off. Pretty much everything minus, I would say, the cabin doors are off. Went ahead and took the brake booster master cylinder off as well. A lot of this preparation also is for the cab to come off. So we are actually going to be taking the cab off and doing some more work to that kind of sort of thing. But we won't be doing that tonight. And we did go ahead and kind of finish gutting the factory doors here. Nice and lightweight. Everything that we took out from the inside of the doors, 30 pounds a door. So we're probably going to go back with some Lexan stuff. Again, we're not really too sure if we are going to end up doing full fiberglass on this truck right now. I'd love to, but I'm just not quite sure. So spent a little bit of time grinding the bars that we had taken out. What we're going to end up doing is put the top bars in as far up as they can go, and then pull the cab off so we actually can see how far we see how much room we actually can get in there. So, but that is pretty much going to wrap up for this evening. A lot of tedious chassis work, fab work. I know it's not the most entertaining. A lot of grinding, fitting, that kind of sort of stuff. But we'll get through it. And next time we do one of these videos, I believe will probably be, like I said, putting those bars in, taking the floor out, gutting the cab, taking the cab completely off of this thing. Yeah, so counting down the days to the season starts. It's gonna be interesting. So you guys will see more on this truck quite frequently. Gonna be a lot of late nights getting this thing done, but it'll be worth it. And like I said, make sure you guys have the ODSS schedule on your plans. First one is in Florida, I believe towards the end of January, February, yeah, March. I believe it's March. Anyway, that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will stay tuned for the next video. Man, it's late. Can't talk. All right, that's gonna do it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah.